Are you actually filming? Hi, I'm Shane and we're here at Shane Barr Shoe Repairs. We're looking at how we're safely operating in the current environment. Here's a pair of shoes, that are a very nice pair of shoes. Customers can be standing here doing the drop-off procedure. There's 6 main steps actually. We're looking at drop-off, how we sanitise, store the shoes, repair and polish like normal, sanitise again, and how we handle pick-up. So with drop-off, we've got hand sanitizer there, we've got PayWave here, you can also pay online, and for drop-off the shoes will be poked through there and we'll sort it out. Come inside and let's have a look how the rest of it's going to work. So drop-offs where the lady could just drop the shoes off there, and then here a sanitation station, spray them with that, and then they need to stay out the front here. This area here is where we're going to have anything that's dirty. Stay out here for a minimum of 5 minutes, probably a lot longer, and then we'll take them around here to store. Let's say this was a Tuesday job. Normally go into the Tuesday shelf there. If that's full, if there's not enough space, we've set up some storage down here where shoes can be set in there to dry, not touching each other, not touching anything else, so we don't have any colour rub off. And then go and do the repairs and polish as per usual on there, and then we take them over to sanitise. We'll be putting them into a plastic bag, spraying them with this virus killer, and then storing them like we normally store them. Once the customer comes in to pick them up, we'll find their shoes, show them their shoes and make sure that we've got the right job done and that we've got the right shoes, and then we can simply pop them onto there and send them off to the customer out there. If you've got any comments or suggestions, we'd love to hear from you. Go to shanes.co.nz.